How to fix Play Store error no connection on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store error no connection on Android phone. First, then just go to settings and then just click apps and apps again. Now just you need to find Google Play Store here, click on it and then just click storage, and here you will find clear cache, click on it and then click force stop here. Now just click this one, permissions, and you need to allow this one, storage, and then just check this one here, enable all of those, and then click Wi-Fi and enable them again, and that's it. Then just restart your phone and click restart. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.